Good afternoon, everyone. I'm over in beautiful St. Augustine Beach at the McGuire job. Look at this beautiful job right here. Look at this pool remodel. What is it?
I appreciate that.
5 star?
I appreciate the heck out of you and your company. Love it.
Love it? Love everybody?
Love it. Yeah.
Awesome people right there. Awesome people. So I'm going to take you over here and show you the outdoor kitchen. We remodeled this outdoor kitchen. As you can see, it's got a big, beautiful screened-in area. And they got a nice Delta Heat grill, American-made. Door-to-door combo, access, sink. Look at this granite. It is like a level 4, level 5. Look at this. Look at the movement in this granite. You know? I wish it could be all one piece, but sometimes you do have a little seam. But you know, they hid the seam real well. Look at this. Nice refrigerator. Nice little trash slide. But look at the beautiful glass tile. Look at my hidden drain system. I hide the drains. I don't see anybody that does this. It's a lot harder. Costs a little bit more money. But the drains are hidden. French pattern travertine. Look at the nice linear, a 2-foot coping with a bull-nosed edge. I mean, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. At night, lights all lit up. Big, nice bronze screen enclosure. You know, don't get much better than this, folks. Don't get much better. So anyhow, I want to share it with everyone. I want y'all to have a very blessed Friday. Y'all take care, and we'll see you on the next one. And always remember, we ain't faking, we're cooking with bacon. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.